Hi guys, it's Chris with WTI. This is an amazing game for all those wannabe truckers out there. It starts out in a small American town called Black River, Michigan. The first vehicle you drive is a Chevy CK 1500 pickup, but then you quickly upgrade to a GMC MH 9500 truck. The object of the game is making deliveries from one point on the map to another. There are dozens of challenging missions. Where it becomes exciting are the extreme environmental conditions under which you have to drive the over 40 trucks and other vehicles available through different stages of the game. You do all the normal maintenance required in operating heavy vehicles, including gassing up at a gas station. What I really like about the game is the amazing detail in the graphics, both of the vehicles you drive, but especially the landscape that is so realistic. The first map is in the fall, but you progress to winter in Alaska, where things become really interesting. There are a number of other maps available, including Canada. This is an exciting game to play, and the challenges are endless. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.